With around 20 million people in its path, Super Typhoon Haiyan, one of the strongest storms ever recorded on the planet, crashed into the Philippines on Friday morning. As the storm plowed across the islands in the heart of the country, more than 100,000 people took shelter in evacuation centers and hundreds of flights were cancelled. The storm brought powerful winds crashing ashore as it made landfall in the province of Eastern Visayas, disrupting communications with major cities along its path. Haiyan, known in the Philippines as Yolanda, appeared to retain much of its specified force as it moved west over the country. Its wind strength makes it equivalent to a Category 5 hurricane. Video footage from on the ground in the Philippines showed howling winds, bending palm trees, and moving debris down deserted streets. The typhoon was forecasted to turn across the central Philippines during Friday and part of Saturday before exiting into the South China Sea. The storm is expected to weaken slightly as it moves across land, but forecasters predict that it will maintain super typhoon intensity throughout its passage over the islands. Now, let's go to our resident meteorologist.
Thank you, Gia Gomez. A tropical cyclone is a rapidly rotating storm system characterized by a low pressure center, strong winds, and a spiral arrangement of thunderstorms that produce heavy rain. A super typhoon is a tropical cyclone with surface winds that sustain speeds of more than 250 kilometers per hour for at least a minute, according to the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Now, with sustained winds of 315 kilometers per hour and gusts as strong as 380 kilometers per hour, Haiyan was probably the strongest tropical cyclone to hit land anywhere in the world in recorded history. Haiyan is so large in diameter that clouds from it are affecting 2/3 of the country, which stretches more than 1,850 kilometers. Tropical storm force winds are extending 240 kilometers from the typhoon center. Now, we have the GI Boxing.
The route of Typhoon Yolanda affected about 3.5 million families, a total of 16 million people, and over 1 million houses were destroyed, counting to almost 90 million pesos worth of damage. Among those regions hit were regions 4A, 4B, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, and Caraga. And now, here are some safety reminders on what to do during a typhoon. First of all, you have to watch out for flying debris. Next, bring clothes, first aid kits, food, and water during evacuation. Stay inside the house and stay updated with the latest forecast. Don't wade through floodwaters. Watch out for live wires underwater. And lastly, don't panic.